do. Here's the next bit. So I've done a bit more work on the arms. I've, well, given him some extensor tendons, both sides, welded these bits on, and just with a little bit I had left, yeah, flux core MIG, awesome. So that's the arms mostly done. Now, somebody asked us when I had the hands sort of partly done, and I thought I did two right-handed hands, asked us why didn't I just turn it around. Well, I tried to get the fingers more or less to follow basically, well, basic anatomy. So basically that finger sticks out like that one. So there you go, that's why I did it, Chris. Right, so you can take the back seat for now. I haven't decided whether I'm going to weld the elbows solid or not. I think I need to get the shield hand, the right hand, still to be able to open outwards so I can open the door, so I can put stuff in. But I haven't decided yet, I'll come back to it. Right, I'll show you the next bit. Right then, here's the plans for the head. So I've got this, which is the bottom of a fire extinguisher, which I got forever ago. I decided I'm going to give him a neck somehow, so I'm going to cut a bit of that off and then get a couple of bits just to weld on there, so that can go there a minute. And more or less his face and his hair is going to be made of this. I couldn't decide how I was going to do his mouth, so I'm just going to decide I'm going to hide it behind his chain beard. And I thought, what's missing? And then it took us a couple of minutes to realise that he hasn't got a nose, so I might give him a nose. I don't know what I'm going to make his nose out of. Might be something like that, but I thought it would be funny to give him two nuts, weld them in as his nostrils. I'll figure something out eventually, but that's pretty much all got to get fixed under his head. I cannot weld them on because they're brass or bronze or copper or something like that. So I'm going to rivet them on. I might have some copper nails somewhere. If not, yeah, I'll just use naily nails and use them as rivets. But yeah, it's a bit of a, well, Iron Odin sort of thing, but yeah, dwarfs can have eye patches as well. So right, let's see if I can work out how I'm going to do this. Right, what I've done is cleaned it up. I've welded his neck on. I even did some mostly tidy-ish welds for a change. So he's gonna go, I'm just trying not to touch the bits that are really hot, so I'll burn my fingers off. There you go. So it's more or less, if I zoom out, going to sit on like that. That bit was well on. I thought I'd give him an Adam's apple. So sits on like so. I'm going to have his, well, obviously his good eye and his eye patch, his possible nose, and his beard's going to dangle down, then get his hair to sort of dangle down as well. So I'm 5'10", and the top of his head's coming to about my nose, so he's standing about 5'6" ish. Right, I'm gonna have to put some holes in and see if I can actually, in fact no I don't, if I just sort of weld a couple of bits on and then pin them over and just rivet his eyebrows on like that. Right, that's got to be less of an arse ache. I'll do that. Hold on. Yes, that was a pain in the arse getting them done. I went between flux core MIG and proper MIG and turned the voltage amperage down so I didn't just melt it all. But right, get on you. Right, well it bloody well fit better a minute ago. Right, and they do fit better than that. Right, give us a minute. Well, bloody great. So, just when I was trying to straighten that up off camera, the twatting thing went and snapped. So, that's annoying us. So, I'm going to pack in for today. Pack my stuff up for the morning. I'm going to actually just got to grind all them off, start again. Aye, do it when it's not annoying us. Stupid bloody shitty welding, stupid stove, dwarf face thing, pain in the bollocks, arse. I do. Right, had a couple of days off, had a chance to think about it. You say that just welding stuff on there was just a pain in the arse. So what I've done, drilled some holes in, jazzed up some nails, so it kind of works like that, and fit it in like so. Then down there I'll just stick a couple of tack welds on, and then they're not going anywhere. So I'll have his eye patch, which I did polish. I think I might actually darken again. I don't know whether to put it that way, I don't know yet. And then his hammer face eye to go there. Still haven't worked out what I'm doing with his nose. Actually, I might cut a bit of that off and stick a bit of that on, and then still weld a couple of nostrils, nutty nostrils on. That might have been why I got that out the other day. Something like that. Right. Let's make a start. There, that was about something like that. His nose a bit too small, I don't know. I kind of like the nostril vibe though. What do you reckon? There. It's not like it's going in the Tate Gallery, so aye, I'll tweak it a bit as I go. Right, let's see if I can start sticking his hair on and stuff. Right, and I've even got, if the camera will pick it up, his nostrils. Hold on. Ta-da! Looks like he's got a bit of a snotty nose, but there you go. He's a bit bong-eyed. I might actually grind that off and see if I can get a little bit more central, but there you go. He's got most of a face. Right, let's see if I can give him a hairdo and a beard. Well, I'm about to knock off, but I've got the head mostly done, And even if I say so myself, I think I'm reasonably pleased with how that came out. He still looks a bit bung-eyed, but you know, if you had iron hair then you probably would as well. So yeah, considering I started off the eyebrow project making a complete arse of it, that came out alright in the end. Aye. Right, time to pack in. I'll think about what I'm going to do next. See you in a bit. Go on then. I'll get it. You div.